A suddenly failing doorknob can trap you inside a room or compromise your privacy unexpectedly. Even a minor doorknob malfunction can quickly escalate into a major home security headache. Many common household nuisances, like a sticky or loose doorknob, often feel like daunting tasks. However, most doorknob issues are simple mechanical problems requiring basic tools and minimal effort. Understanding your doorknob's inner workings empowers you to tackle these quick fixes confidently. You can restore functionality and security to your living space without calling an expensive professional. These straightforward DIY repairs save significant money while preventing future frustrating inconveniences. Learning these practical skills transforms household headaches into satisfying personal triumphs. Begin by identifying the exact problem. Is the handle loose, the latch sticking, or does it simply not turn? Gather essential tools, usually just a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and perhaps some lubricant. Many doorknob issues stem from loose screws that simply need a bit of careful tightening to resolve. Remember, proper tool selection is crucial for preventing stripped screws and causing further unnecessary damage. Always start with the simplest solutions before attempting more complex disassembly or component replacement. But what if tightening isn't enough to solve your persistent doorknob dilemma effectively? Examine the doorknob base for tiny set screws, often cleverly hidden on the underside or neck of the handle. Use the correct screwdriver to gently tighten these small screws, securing the handle firmly to its internal spindle. Ensure the handle feels completely firm and operates smoothly after tightening both sides of the doorknob assembly. Sometimes, the entire doorknob assembly needs to be removed to access underlying mounting screws more effectively. These concealed screws are vital for maintaining the doorknob's structural integrity and preventing future wobbles. For a sticky latch or handle, carefully clean any accumulated grime or debris from the visible moving mechanism. Apply a small amount of graphite lubricant or silicone spray directly onto the latch bolt and all moving internal parts. Work the doorknob repeatedly to distribute the lubricant evenly, promoting smoother, more effortless operation instantly. Check the door frame strike plate, ensuring no paint buildup or obstructions hinder the latch's clean, unhindered entry. A clean, lubricated mechanism prevents frustrating sticking and extends the doorknob's overall functional lifespan. Yet, some doorknob issues stem from deeper structural problems beyond simple cleaning and lubrication fixes. If the door isn't latching properly, meticulously inspect the precise alignment between the latch bolt and the strike plate. Often, the strike plate on the door frame is slightly misaligned, preventing the latch from catching securely inside. You can gently adjust the strike plate by slightly loosening its screws and shifting its position minimally for a perfect fit. If adjustment isn't sufficient, use a file to carefully enlarge the strike plate opening by a tiny, precise margin. This subtle modification often resolves persistent latching failures, restoring full door security and functionality. However, a completely unresponsive doorknob presents a different, more intricate repair challenge altogether requiring deeper investigation. To address a doorknob that won't turn, first remove the visible screws securing the interior handle's decorative faceplate. Carefully pull apart the two halves of the doorknob assembly, revealing the critical internal spindle and springs. Inspect the spindle, the square rod connecting the handles, for any signs of twisting, bending, or excessive wear and tear. Check the small springs inside the mechanism. These commonly break, causing the handle to lose its crucial return action. A broken spring or severely worn spindle usually necessitates replacing the entire doorknob assembly for long-term reliability. If replacing parts, ensure the new components match the original doorknob specifications precisely for a proper, snug fit. Reassemble the doorknob by carefully aligning the spindle with the internal mechanisms on both sides simultaneously. Secure the interior faceplate with its screws, making sure not to over-tighten and inadvertently strip the delicate threads. Test the doorknob's operation multiple times, checking both the smooth turning action and the precise latch engagement. Verify the door opens and closes effortlessly from both inside and outside, ensuring complete and lasting success. Listen for any grinding or unusual noises, indicating potential misalignment or further internal issues requiring attention. Performing routine maintenance, like occasional lubrication, significantly extends your doorknob's lifespan and smooth operation. Regularly checking for loose screws can prevent most minor doorknob issues from ever escalating into major repairs. Investing in quality replacement doorknobs also offers greater durability and smoother, long-lasting performance for your home. Remember, safety always comes first. If you encounter unexpected resistance, reassess before proceeding further with any fix. Mastering these quick doorknob repairs offers immense satisfaction and a profound sense of self-reliance. You save valuable time and money by avoiding professional service calls for minor, easily fixable issues. Addressing these small problems immediately prevents them from escalating into more costly or complex repairs. A fully functional doorknob enhances both the security and the privacy of your entire living environment. These practical skills are transferable, building confidence for tackling various other household maintenance tasks. Imagine the pride of successfully fixing something yourself, rather than waiting for external assistance. Empowering yourself with DIY knowledge transforms you from a homeowner into a capable home manager. This proactive approach ensures your home remains a comfortable, secure, and well-maintained sanctuary. Ultimately, many common household doorknob issues are straightforward to diagnose and repair with simple tools. You now possess the knowledge to confidently approach these fixes, ensuring your home's security and functionality. Don't let minor repairs become major headaches. Empower yourself with these accessible, practical skills today. If you found these doorknob repair tips genuinely helpful, please consider giving this video a quick like. Subscribe for more expert-level DIY guides that simplify home maintenance challenges for everyone. Let me know in the comments which household fix you want to master next, and share your own repair triumphs.